Hey guys, in this video I will analyze Fetch and share my price prediction for the short and for the long term. So let's go straight into the content. Fetch.Ai is right now on place 51 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $2 billion. It's one of the biggest coins in the AI space and we already broke the last all-time high from the last cycle. If you want to trade FET, you can do this on Bitunix. You will find the link for Bitunix in the description. And as you can see, after we broke this last all-time high and built this newer all-time high, then the price retraced to the downside. And if we are using the Fibonacci tool, you can also see that we reacted perfectly at the 0.618 Fibonacci. So the chance is high that we can continue the bullish momentum. And if we go on the daily time frame, you can see that we built this demand zone right here, which was the start of this bullish push. And as the price came back into this demand zone, we saw this rejection. We saw this wick down here. And then we saw the first bullish reaction. Then we couldn't break this last high right here. So we also found some bearish rejection right here, moved to the downside again. But then we came again into this demand zone and saw this bullish reaction. And right now it's very interesting if we are breaking this last high to the upside. And especially if we are breaking this high right here at $2.84. Then the chance is high that you can see even higher prices. Because from this high right here, we saw this move to the downside. We made a lower low. So if we are breaking this one to the upside again, then the chance is high that we are on a bullish structure on the daily time frame again. And then of course the chance is high that you can reach even higher prices. And to calculate the next potential price target, we are using the Fibonacci tool again. And then we are having these two price targets. If we have a look at the 1.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $4.63. And if we have a look at this Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $6.52. And just from the price right now to this next potential price target, we would have potential over 90%. And I think this is a realistic price target, especially if Bitcoin can now also continue to move to the upside. For Bitcoin, it's also very important that we are breaking this last high right here. Because again, from this high, we saw this move to the downside again. We made a lower low. So we are in a bearish structure on the daily time frame. And if we are breaking this last high right here, we then have the chance to reach even higher price targets. But the most important is that we are not breaking this last demand zone right here. Because if we are breaking this demand zone to the downside, then I think the chance is high that we can see even lower prices. But as long as we are not breaking this one and go to the downside again and see a bullish price action, then the chance is also high that we could continue the bullish trend from even lower prices. And of course, this would be an amazing chance if we come to the zone, took out this liquidity, and if we then see a bullish reaction, that we then go into a potential long move on Fetch at this prices right here would be even better than on this prices, of course. And for the long time, I'm also very bullish on Fetch. And if you want to get daily updates on a crypto market or altcoins like Fetch, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.